Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video because today we're going to be speaking about one of the tips within it, and that was how to utilize different lenses and different focal lengths to create a different feel within a scene and an edit. So we're going to be shooting two edits. The first B-roll edit will be just using one of these lenses, and the second one will be using all three of these lenses, and you can see the different types of shots, types of styles you can get with it. So the first, let me put these down so I don't drop them. And the lenses are safe. Let's roll the first B-roll sequence. All of that was shot strictly on the 24mm lens, and it was all a wide shot. And as you can see, it doesn't look visually rich, which is what we were talking about in yesterday's video. So what we're going to do instead is this time I'm going to use the same shots, the same subject, but I'm going to shoot using the two different lenses. I'm going to incorporate the 100mm and the 55mm so that we can add this visual richness to the shot. So without changing the music, without changing anything but the lenses, let's roll that sequence. So let's talk about why the second edit made a bit of a difference, right? And it's not just because we're changing f-stop, which we are, it's because we're changing focal length. Because a 24mm lens can see like that wide. So everything you shoot, it can see all of that. So your audience has an option to look at anything within that frame, but if you use a 55mm, it goes a tiny bit less, and if it uses a 100mm, it goes even less than that. So in other words, if you want your audience to focus on a specific detail, you can use a longer lens to punch in on the frame so they can only actually pay attention to a certain detail. So I hope those two little tips helped you out. If they did, like and comment, subscribe. You know, all these things help me build a better channel to give you better content, because otherwise I'm just guessing, and that's kind of what I'm doing right now, but let's see. So I hope you stay safe. I hope all this madness in the world isn't getting you too down, and I will see you in the next one.